How to solve unable to map network drive on Windows 11. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily fix this issue. Let's just jump right in. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your Run dialog box by pressing Windows plus R, or you could just go ahead and search for Run on your search bar. Now, on your Run dialog box, you're going to have to type in optionalfeatures.exe and then tap on OK. Once you do that, your Windows feature pop-up will appear on your screen. So all you have to do here is find this SMB 1.0 CIFS file sharing support and then click on the plus icon to expand it. All you need to do is turn on the CIFS client as well as CIFS server. Then click on OK. Now, once you do that, your PC will ask you to restart after searching for the required fields. And once you restart your PC, your problem should be fixed. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.